Hello everybody, good evening, and I'm just happy to be able to do this video. It's been a while, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, I'm excited to have you join our community. Today I want to share a bit about why I started vlogging and what this journey has meant to me. Well, it all began as a simple desire to capture memories, maybe about a year and a half ago. Life moves so quickly, right? And I found myself forgetting those small, beautiful moments. And I wanted a way to freeze time, not just for myself, but to share these experiences with the world. One of the things that was sort of trepidatious for me was vulnerability. Of course, starting a vlog brought concerns, especially around that. Opening up my life through the internet felt like taking a plunge into the unknown. And I knew there might be judgment or even some bashing, but then I thought, why not turn life's challenges into lighthearted moments, right? So I decided to embrace the imperfections, the laughter, and the mishaps, and turning them into stories we can all laugh about together. Because in the end, life isn't perfect, and that's what makes it beautiful. So one of the most incredible aspects of vlogging has been the chance to document my travels, and travels with my spouse, travels with our friends, and others that we meet along the way. And there's so much beauty to explore. But here's the catch. I wouldn't have experienced half of these travel memories if it weren't for others sharing their adventures. So I owe it to them, their insights and their tips and pearls. I've learned so much from watching fellow vloggers. Their insights, as I mentioned, recommendations, and the joy they find in exploring new places have inspired me and those around me beyond words. It's like having a group of friends who guide you through the unknown, right? Making your journey richer and more meaningful.
Train your mind to see the good in everything. Positivity is a choice.
So to my incredible audience, thank you for taking an interest in my vlogs. I know we're all busy, but your support and positive comments have made this journey even more special. You've shared your precious minutes with me, and I'm genuinely grateful for every single one. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Here's to capturing memories, embracing vulnerability, and sharing the beauty of the world together. And to everyone who has come along on our journeys, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I can't wait to keep creating, exploring, and laughing with you all. Peace and blessings to you and your family. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join our growing community. Until next time, keep smiling, keep adventuring. See you in the next vlog.